Alright guys, we are back at the War Memorial. We're currently standing just across a little path from this weird thing. We've got the EMF on and it's been going crazy in this spot since we got here. Has it said anything else so far?
I don't know. My hands are elemental. Wait, elemental. Jesus Christ. Joyful dreams. Elemental in your dreams. Questionable. Why is there so many cyclists?
Jay is going to put the REM pod over on this windowsill here.
Focally. I don't know what it means. Focus?
I don't know.
And it still cars down. Engine room. Let's see what year it was built.
11th of
1944.
May, 1944.
Oh, goddamn. My emblem was here about.
World War II.
Music room. Oh, this thing is so fucking loud too.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna scream at us.
Where the fuck is the button? Jesus.
I thought you were just saying music room. I didn't realize that the phone had said music room. Oh, that's the REM pod up.
Laurie is speaking.
Do you maybe want to turn the volume up?
On what?
On your thing so it actually speaks?
I don't know how to do it.
You just turn the volume up.
Nah. It's like already up. Like, module. Hang on.
Okay. If there's somebody here, can you touch that red light?
I guess that static just always.
I have to go, but keep trying.
What? I have to go, but keep trying.
Keegan.
Is your name Keegan? Can you touch that red light? Let us know you're here. How old are you?
What's your purpose here?
What's your purpose here?
We just want to say hello.
You need to listen.
Well, tell us something.
What do you want to tell us?
Disorganized. Or economics.
Okay. Are you into economics?
We are here.
Can you touch the red light?
Just make you just off for a bit. There's a red light in the window there.
Cemetery spirit.
Cemetery spirit.
You're a bit far away to be a cemetery spirit.
Yeah, wondering. Can you go over to the red light in the window of the engine room?
Spirit is bound to you.
No thank you.
Do I have a spirit bound to me?
Oh. Who's the moon?
Gone.
Yeah, what is this full moon?
Horrible lighting.
Why don't you just use your phone? That's not good.
Oh, I forgot that I could. Yeah, it's not going to let me turn it on now.
Okay. So many stars tonight. Unrelated, but it looks nice.
A place of sacrifice.
I mean, World War II.
Leave.
Well,
Fair. We will soon. Oh, they turned their torch off. They were just like right there, and now they're gone.
that's great.
Do you want to turn yours off?
In front of
Why?
it.
So I can see. I can't see anything around us. In front of it. I can't see where they are. Kick.
Can you please touch the red light? We'd love to know if you're actually here.
Foggy.
What?
Foggy. Do you mean froggy? You can turn the light on to the handle. Go inside if you want.
No, I'm good. I'm not doing that.
I'll go in with you if you want.
I really don't want to go in there. Creeps me out.
I feel less creeped out than out of y'all.
Pitch.
Pitch.
Is that to do with music?
We did get music room. A lot of lightning for no clouds.
Scare you.
Scare you.
Oh, okay.
If you want to scare us, why don't you touch this red light that's at the window here in the engine room? Oh, they're back down there. I keep turning off the light every time you turn your head. There, now it's back on as soon as you look away.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Here, look. I'll show you what happens.
Haunted graveyard.
Haunted graveyard. If you come close to it, see the pretty lights?
Noise.
Yeah, it does make a noise. I don't know what happened.
Sit.
Did you break it?
I don't know what's happened. You saw that?
I saw that.
It said sit. Do you want me to sit back down?
I'm listening to you.
Could you?
Am I in the way? Sorry. What?
I just heard a noise out there. But I don't know what it was. I couldn't describe to you what it is either that I heard.
Was it rustling? No, you don't know.
Are you able to show us you're listening to us by just...
Be quiet and listen.
You heard that?
I did. I feel like I can still hear the REM pod coming from like over there.
Okay.
I am embarrassed.
Why are you embarrassed?
We're not trying to make you perform for us. A little bit.
We just would like it if you could touch the red light just one time.
It does make a noise. And pretty colors come if you want to try it. Because I don't know what happened before, if that was me or something else. I thought I heard something behind us, like right on the road. It was like,
A donk noise?
no, it was like,
Oh.
how about if we give you some room?
Natural phenomena.
What, the lightning? That was like as soon as the lightning went off. We'll go sit back over there, give you some space. Jesus Christ.
You alright?
Yeah. I felt like this. Stop
Are
moving.
you about to knock me in the head?
No.
Ew.
Yeah, like a couple strands, that was it.
I don't like that.
I still feel like I can feel it. Alright.
Don't make the same mistakes.
Jesus. Scared the shit out of me.
Don't make the same mistakes.
Yeah. What
That's-
mistakes are you talking about?
Things were different then.
What, World War II? You're not wrong. It's been a couple years since 1944. What the hell was that?
What?
I thought my eyeballs were playing tricks on me. It was like whoosh, across.
That's terrifying.
Yeah, I think I'm a little bit on edge. Do you reckon you can touch the red light for us, please?
Just one time would really appreciate it.
Even if it's just for a second, just change the color, make a little noise. Give us something. Ooh.
"2010s.
2010s. It's actually the 2020s now. The water on the rocks.
Yeah, probably. We're only going to be here another maybe 20 minutes. What did it say?
Rammed. Were you rammed? There's if you don't want to touch the light, do you want to say something? Give us a name or something. I'll go back, sit over at it.
Probably.
Whoa.
Huh?
Alright, I'm going to show you one time. Ready? Oh, you bastard. Friggin' cane toad here.
Yeah.
That's all you have to do. You come close to the light. Oh, that got me good.
Do you get stage fright? Would you like us to turn around? Not stare at you?
Picture us in our underwear, if that makes it easier. Ow. Goddamn mozzie.
Yeah, the mozzies are pretty bad. I was getting bit standing over on the other side.
Well, should we sit facing away from it?
We're gonna walk back to the car for a minute.
Field.
Yeah, I was being bitten by mozzies in the field, yeah.
The rump up should be alright, right?
Was that where you were before? Is that why the EMF was triggering? Were you out here in the field just here?
A tortured artist.
A tortured artist.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
You think highly of yourself.
Oh. Don't be mean.
Sorry.
Collect.
Collect.
You heard that, right?
Was it a ting?
It was like something hitting something.
What's inside? I didn't remember.
It's just concrete inside.
That sounded. Did it sound metal to you?
Don't know.
Sorry, this thing went off at the exact same time and said collect.
I don't think it wants us to leave the REM pod. So we're like, we'll leave the REM pod.
Spirit is observing you.
Huh?
Spirit is observing you. Do you want her to...
Now.
Right now. Did you want us to get the REM pod? Take it with us. We can come back. Kind of just threw this one together. Do you want to make us make another noise for us, or?
Hearing your essence.
Hearing your essence. Like herbal essence? Did you maybe not like me making fun about you being a tortured artist?
1800s.
We've gotten all the years now. How many cars is that? Whoa.
Yeah, that was bright.
The cloud's on above us, so I'm just confused why it's covering. Far out, everyone's coming.
Yeah, coming, going.
Do you want to get the REM pod?
Yeah. Grab it, go have a smoke.
Yeah, okay. Can you film the hole here? Thank you.
Really?
It was like a sarcastic really. Where the fuck is the switch? Oh, it said Wiley.
What?
Pricelessness.
Oh.
Replay periodically. Saying a lot of words now that we're leaving.
I cause pain.
I cause pain.
Yeah, maybe it's a good thing we're leaving then. Unit. Were you in a specific unit? Alright, Teresa. Well, we're going to go now. Thanks for having us at your little hut. And if you'd like us to, we would like to return. Pistol. I don't want to get shot, so maybe when the tortoise artist is feeling nicer.
You want to unlock the car?
Oh, yeah. See. Can you see us, or you will see? You'll see us when we return. Here, Ray. Male ghost.
Okay. You're a guy.
You're a guy. Was that you making all the noises? You're a manly man. That's why you didn't like the lights. Look, I understand sometimes.
Hey guys, it's the next day and we're home. I just wanted to quickly jump on and tell you something that happened literally like 5 minutes after we turned the camera off. So my daughter had 2 of these in the handle of the back door of my car. The whole time we were out, my car was locked because there are very colourful people around that area. So the car was locked the whole time. All of our equipment was in Jay's pockets because it's all small enough to fit in there. So, yeah, nobody was at the car. When we decided to end, it was a spur of the moment thing for us to go back out and see if we could get anything, and we were getting stuff. That's why we decided to record. But there were so many people, so we eventually decided we'll come back hopefully another night when there's not as many people. As we got in the car, put everything away, turned the camera off and everything like that, we, start reversing. And literally as we come out from under the tree that we were parked under, you hear something bounce across the roof of the car 3 times. It goes bump, 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 and then it hits the road. And I had my window down all the way, and I very clearly heard the noise of a bauble hit the road and do another couple bounces before eventually stopping. Jay and I looked at each other and was like, what was that? And in my side mirror, I could see something shining on the road. It was like the only thing on the road, off my tail lights, like the reflection of my tail lights shining off of it. And I was like, what the fuck? I was like, what is that? So I reversed back and got so that the headlights were now on it. And I looked at Jay and I was like, oh my God. And he's like, what? He's like, I can't see anything. He's like, is it just like a nut from the tree? And I was like, no. I was like, it's a Christmas bauble. And he's like, a fucking what? And he's like, had a real hard look and he's like, holy shit. He's like, where did that come from? And I said to him, I was like, look in the back door. My daughter had 2 of them in the back door. How many is in there now?
and he's like, looked, and he's like, no. He's like, there's only one. And I was like, the car was locked the whole time. The whole time. Nobody could have got into the car without us knowing, and we weren't any more than maybe 20 feet away from the car at all times. So something got a bauble and dropped it, because it had to have been dropped. Otherwise, you know, we wouldn't have heard it. If it had just rolled off the roof, there would have been no bouncing. So something had dropped the bauble on the roof of our car. And that's my interesting piece of the story that I got last night after the cameras turned off. So that was great. Thanks guys, like and subscribe.